Going on here to Kilbride new train station. I try to get there though. My bus get there. I don't know. It's looking inside, but so I had to go by there. Having a wee look at the new train station. I forgot one page. YouTube, forgot the page. I've forgotten something. Definitely. That's just my phone tingling. Whether I'm live or not live yet. It must be just. They mean they're just in the. Down there. Didn't plaster up down there. Showed you all that this morning. Aye. There's a new pump. Looks like it. Oh, you want me to look over? Oh, somebody's been drawing on. Alright. Mind. Just looking around. Oh, I'll look around here. These are. Alright. It's going to be like. The bricks are going to be on there. Oops. New car. What's that? No. That's a new roof, and there's some guys on the roof, because it's hard to see when you go on the roof. That's because they're on top of the roof. There's a guy down there, there's some guys, there's he's I think he's spreading out the stuff, and we can see the lines. We can see the lines. No lines yet. No line. I think we're on. I think it's on flash as well. So it's on flash. That's a so short video. I don't go over 50. I have a train has well 40. If it was a 40, so I don't want to go right down with the light as you see what's down there. I fell for mine, Rob. It was just kind of had a night train or whatever. Look, I'm just at the story bit. Like that. Can't do half. I'm going I don't want to do the town hall. I just do it for your TV or your. Alright. I just put up a new page because it was all private. I think. Well, we could share this one. Good luck, cheese on. That's the